Good morning, dear students. Welcome to the literature class. And today's topic is Chapter 9, The Recycling Rap. This poem is written by a very famous British author, John Foster, who has exclusively written for children. Dear students, one of the major challenges of our modern life is waste management. If we throw the waste somewhere, or if we burn them, or if we dump them somewhere else, it would cause a lot of environmental issues such air, water, or soil pollution. So, recycling of waste materials is very crucial for a safer environment. Through the poem, The Recycling Rap, the poet John Foster urges us, emphasizes the importance of recycling waste materials in order to avoid or curtail the accumulation of waste materials on the surface of this planet. Students, here is the summary of the poem. The poem Recycling Rap emphasizes the importance of recycling the products that we use at home. In the first stanza, the speaker, the poet himself, advocates or advises the young generation, the children, to start recycling as much as possible, since it is the only one way to save the planet for future generation. And let me tell you one thing, this poem is written in the form of a rap. The poet addresses the children across the globe and he is advocating them. Children, it's high time for us to start recycling things. Before you throw the used items, please think whether it can be reused in any other form in our life. In the second and third stanzas, the speaker suggests various ways of recycling products. First of all, we can save old newspapers by not throwing them here and there. Instead, keep them, collect all the old newspapers, keep them in a bundle. Secondly, we can save the old glass bottles and jam jars and take them to the bottle bank, then at the factory. The glass can be recycled. It will lead to saving energy. Thirdly, we can reuse empty drink can. In the last stanza, the speaker repeats his message that he conveys in the first stanza, that is to recycle as much as possible to save the resources for the future generation. And here is the mind map of the lesson. Here is the mind map of the topic, the recycling rap. The poem discusses the importance of recycling products we use at home. According to the poet, recycling is the only one way to save this planet for future generation. The poet has introduced some of the ways to recycle the products that we use at home. Various ways of recycling. We can save old newspapers by not throwing them away. Second one, the glass bottles can be recycled. The poem concludes by conveying the message that we should encourage recycling. Students, this is the summary of the poem, The Recycling Rap. All of you go through the poem one more time. Watch the video carefully. God bless you.